Hey guys, welcome back. This is Carmen, and if you're new, welcome too. So, in recent times, I've been asking a lot of people to invoke this violet flame because it's really helpful, especially during this time. There are so many negativities flying all around and low vibrational energies, and it's just bringing your energy down. And I found out that not many people are aware of this violet flame. So today I would like to talk about violet flames and actually how to use and invoke it in a simple steps. Let's start with have you ever been in a situations where you have been to somewhere and you just felt the energy is really heavy, or even yourself, sometimes you've gone through some thoughts process or thinkings, or and you just feel like low, and or you have even talked to someone and someone just drained a zap of all your energies, all these kind of things, probably that you are actually being surrounded or attacked some negative low vibrational energies or entities. Violet flame is one of the best way to cleanse all these low vibrational energies that have been attached to you or you have been absorbing, because we are an energy beings, and for ourselves we also at the same time kind of absorb and release energy as well. So what is violet flame? Now violet flame is one of the cleansing rays of the many rays, and it is a gift by Master St.Germain. Whenever you invoke this particular violet flame, you can actually cleanse all your low vibrational energies, negativities, including your thoughts process or your emotions, your energy fields, your auras. And there is such a cleansing effect that it actually helps also to raise your vibrations and also to accelerate your spiritual growth. Not only that, you can also use it to cleanse the space that you felt really heavy or uneasy about, whether it's your room, your workspace, or anywhere that you are at that moment in time. You can also use it to cleanse other people's energy field as well, so that you can raise the vibrations of that person's or of the space that you are doing the cleansing. Now, this flame has been practiced in by many spiritual masters, including they have been taught in many spiritual schools long time ago. Personally, I was really blessed to be introduced to violet flame more than 10 years ago. However, I do have to admit, for a couple of years, I totally forgot about these amazing tools until a friend of mine reminded me of it. Since then, in the recent years, I have been using violet flame every single day, and I have seen tremendous changes in my life as well as my spiritual growth. So I definitely highly recommend you to do violet flame whenever you feel like it, whenever you can, and at any point in time. So how do you invoke the violet flame? There are schools out there that taught violet flames that you have to do it in a certain steps in a more strict ways in order for it to work. In my personal humble experience, it works amazingly if you have the right intentions, feelings, and sincerity. If you are new to violet flame invocations, welcome, because I'm gonna share you 4 simple steps that can get you started. Step 1, setting intentions. I personally prefer always to start with intentions, because I feel that when you set the right intentions, you bring in the right energies to make it more powerful, if that makes sense. Now, step 2 is to invoke. How do you invoke? You can actually say silently or out loud, in the presence of I am that I am, I invoke the violet flame. At this point in time, you can visualize a violet flame, the center point down your crown chakra through your bodies all the way to the core of Mother Earth. And then place your focus to your heart center. Visualize this violet flame, flaming and blazing out around you, covering and encompassing your whole body, all your 5 bodies. When you have done that, hold that thought, and then step 3, ask to transmute. So you can actually ask specifically what would you like to transmute or cleanse, or you can just use a very general phrase like, please transmute all the low vibrational energies that does not serve to my highest good, or transmute everything that does not conform to light into love, peace, abundance, or so and so. whatever words you use, use words that resonates with your heart. Go with your inner guidance, what is needed. If not, that is a really good way to start as well. And you can even add in the phrase like, in all dimensions, in all levels, past, present, future, so it is, and so be it. Now, at this point in time, stay with the flame for a little longer. When you're sitting longer, you kind of like letting your body to recognize these new energies that you are actually invoking into your life. And if you're sensitive to energies, I'm pretty sure you can actually felt there's a changes in the energy fields around you, or your body might give you a certain sensations or feelings or whatsoever it is. Everybody's unique, so I can't really tell what is it for you. But if you're not feeling anything at all, that's totally fine too. You just need to trust that the Vala Flame cleansing is actually working out for you. I suggest maybe a minimum of 5 minutes. If you can, the longer you stay, like 15 minutes or longer, the better it is, because the deeper cleansings that you will get. And I do recommend that you do violet flames when you wake up and you go to sleep, to cleanse off your any negative energies to start your days and also to end your days. And last but not least, step 4, which is the most easiest and most important to do in my personal opinion, is to say thank you. When you have a gratitude heart, your heart kind of like blooms up open to receive the goodness in your life, whether it is abundance, love, or whatever it is. So saying thanks is just a simple gestures to appreciate whatever that is going into your life. So when you are familiar with the invocations, you can actually personalize your into your own words, because it will be much more powerful, because everybody sometimes have different intentions to cleanse certain things, right? So just change the invocations that personally resonates with your heart. I also have posted a very short self invocation to get you started with this amazing healing rays. So if you have enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and even like the video and subscribe. Till next time, do let me know what about your experience about invoking the violet flame. How did you use it and how has it changed in your life for you? Do share in the comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you and bye.